Alright, welcome to another video. These videos are just basically to help. They're short and just trying to help others so they don't have to go through what I had to go through. Alright, by the way, if there's an easy way of doing this, let me know. But it's the only one I could find out. So when you're searching for one word in a field with multiple words in that field, you can't do it the way by this way. So for example, let's say I'm looking for Excel. All right, so I put in Excel like the method I showed you, and this used to be over here, now it's over here. Nothing comes up. It's because there's more than the word Excel in that particular field. So I have to do something alternatively. So let's do this search here, but we have a code. I put in the code. I just cut and paste the code, or copy paste the code. Here's the code, and I would put I'm looking for Excel, so Excel, okay, and then I search it like that. So here we go. We got Mickey Mouse business and the Donald Duck business. So their needs are Excel and Word. Their needs are Excel, Word, 365, and Outlook.